I'm Dr. Bradley Stiles, and this is EN281 Online. Now, you may have heard that this writing class is unlike any other writing class, and you're probably hearing correctly. When you took EN181, you were being trained how to write arguments, how to establish a thesis, how to use evidence to support your claims. And those talents will all be at play in this class. However, although you were trained to write for a general college audience in EN181, this class is different. This is writing in the disciplines. Disciplines are specialized fields of knowledge which are trained in college or some other form of training. For our purposes, this means your major, your career path, what you're going into. For instance, if you're going to go into nursing and you're training to be a nurse, that's your discipline. If you're going into business and you are studying business administration, that's your discipline. Now, within your discipline, there will be a certain set of language that is used often. There will be people who are considered the top experts. They have a particular way of citing sources and so forth. And you should learn all of those while you're in college and while you're studying for your discipline, because you're going to need to apply those later in your work life. You'll be expected to know the particular vocabulary. You'll be expected to know particular experts. And in the event you need to write about this, you'll need to know how to cite sources and how to actually format the actual work. What sets EN281 apart from other writing classes then is this emphasis on practical uses of writing in your discipline. And that means, you should do this as a labor of love. Everything that you do for this class is directed towards your learning more about the thing that you want to do when you leave college. That means all the work you do in this class should be done as a labor of love. You're so into your topic that you want to do the rest of your life working at that particular discipline. Therefore, you're going to want to know this stuff because you want to know it. That makes this a lot more interesting and a lot more fun and less work if it's something that you really want to do. So if you approach this with the mindset that it's something that you love, this class will be a breeze. Now, I'll be available quite often for you on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 o'clock. Also online at around 11 a.m. or so. On Wednesdays, I'll be available if you'd like to talk by Zoom or by Teams. And other than that, you'll see my actual phone number on the syllabus. I urge you to use that to text me if you have a quick question. If you need a meeting, you can text me and I'll get back to you and we can coordinate a time when we can talk. And basically, I am here for your success, as is the rest of the class. The rest of the class is going to be dedicated to your success as well, because we're all in this together. So we'll look forward to seeing you online, and let's go ahead and get started on the work of your discipline.